In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a list in Asana. By the end, you'll know how to log in, switch to list view, add a task, and make it actionable with an assignee, a due date, and clear organization. Start by heading to Asana's login page in your browser. When you land there, choose Continue with Google to sign in. If you're already logged into your Google account in the same browser, you'll see your account listed. Go ahead and select it to proceed. If you're prompted for verification, complete it as usual. This keeps your workspace secure while making sign-in fast and seamless. Once you're in, look for the project you want to work on. You'll typically find your projects in the left sidebar or on your home screen. Click the project to open it. Projects in Asana can be viewed in different ways, and for a structured spreadsheet-like layout, we'll use List View. At the top of the project, choose List. This view is perfect for capturing tasks line by line, scanning details quickly, and keeping track of what's next. Now let's add your first task. Click Add Task, usually found at the top of the list or at the bottom of a section. Type a clear, action-oriented task name, like Draft Onboarding Checklist or Review Design Mockups. Keep names concise but descriptive so your team immediately understands what needs to be done. Next, click the task you just created to open its detail pane. This is where you make the task truly actionable. Assign it to the right person by selecting an assignee. If it's for you, assign it to yourself so it shows up in your personal task list. Then set a due date. Choose a realistic date that aligns with your project timeline. If timing matters, consider the rhythm of your team. Early in the week often works best for reviews, while end-of-week deadlines are useful for handoffs. From here, build out your list by adding more tasks and placing them into the appropriate sections within your project. Use sections to organize by progress, like To Do, In Progress, and Done, or by priority, such as High, Medium, and Low. Drag tasks between sections as work advances. This simple structure makes it easy to see what's on deck, who's responsible, and what's urgent at a glance. That's it. Log in, open your project, switch to list view, add a task, assign it, set a due date, and organize tasks into sections to keep everything moving.